Unit 2 test. Track 2. Part 5. Listen to a talk about a Japanese show called Kabuki. Complete the sentences. Write one word.
Kabuki is a show in a Japanese theatre. All of the actors are men. They wear incredible clothes, which have got a lot of colours. They also paint their faces carefully so that they look happy or scary. There are people who move things during the show and help the actors. They wear black clothes, so people can't see them easily. Music is also very important in Kabuki, and there are usually people playing drums, flutes, and an instrument like a guitar called a shamisen.